Number 9. Yeah. This is her son, yeah? Number 9?
Yeah.
One of them, yeah.
Yeah, number
Same
9.
number 9.
It'll be a long day for us.
It is. Shoot, Mark. Yes. Out.
Confusing.
Yeah.
It's very good.
Shoot, shoot.
Dribbling or traveling.
Nicely. Nice one. Shoot. Help! Help! Score is 10-2.
Bumaba kayo, wala nagdadala ng bola.
Yes! Nice one, Mark.
Nice one, huh?
Yeah.
Malayit, but good.
Nice one, Nathan. No basket. Nice one, Nathan. Nice steal. Run, Nathan. Yes! Nathan! Nice one, Nathan! Nice one! Shoot!
Ganun parang hindi paglaro kay Lance. Technical, because the ball.
Technical.
Bukas pa yung mga taga.
Nanonood kami. Asa si Per? Part. Dinrap lang na kami.
Nasa siya? Park?
Luis Corsos. Dito tayo. Kaya may pag-asa sila ano, buka, kung nakalaman nila to. Kasi si ano, kaya bukas yata kayo mag-bet eh. Ito. May panalo kayo dyan. Kaya nila Caleb yan.
Manood pa ako tayo. Text niya ako ni Mika.
Tumawag nga kanina. Sabi ko, manood kayo.
Malangan yung
Eh, pagod yata si kuya. Nagpalinis.
magluto.
Ano pa talaga?
Nagpatulong. Hindi nagpatulong. Marami lang ako siyang kasama. Luluto. Kasi gusto ko namin ba?
Ball yan si Sean.
Ay, sa kabila sila ano.
Sina Victor. Kaya mag-asawa nito. Parehong tinitingnan ng court eh.
Kanina pa ba sis? Ilang
First
quarter
quarter
na?
pa na. Nakaumpisa lang. Silang dalawa. Shoot! Shoot! Shoot!
Kaya tayo.
May pag-asa na. Asa si Caleb? Caleb!
Kaya balik ka lang.
Dito kayo. Hati kayo. May passing chance kayo.
Upo ka dyan.
Daddy, stay by spot. Daddy!
Daddy! Yung puti naman. Yung malabang na.
Galing.
Talaga yung sa lagayan. Ito ka.
Grabe. Yay! Ayun na yung score. Grabe. Tapos magsabi nila, bawi tayo, bawi, bawi.
Kayang-kaya
Shucks,
niya.
hindi nila maitawid. Kawawa naman. Hindi nila maitawid yung bola. 3 points. Parang nagte-training lang ang coach eh.
Kasi may ginagawa lang sa sumis.
Kaya nga eh. Oh, hindi maitawid ang bola ng white. Pass! Shoot! Shoot! Ay! Foul. Score is 33 Coach A. First quarter.
B team, you guys will win, of course. But if it's not, guys, bro, you just good for. You have two bottles.
Sayang. Ha? Ah, tinuturoan pa, oh. Ang sweet naman ni Sean. Tinuturuan niya pa yung teammate niya, oh.
What is that?
Victor, what happened? Kaya enjoy yun.
Hanapin tayo ni Daddy.
Uy, grabe. Grabe yung asa niya. Oh, dito muna siya paupo. Dito muna. Tayo same yan sa kanya.
Pangatag mo.
Oh, sabihin mo nasa harap tayo.
7 sino? Si Enzo?
Oh. Nice one. Nagpilaglaruan na lang, nag-training na lang sila. Ay! One more, 3 points, 3 points.
Eh dito rin, 18-16.
Now, Shan!
Ano ba yan?
Oh, si Tumig, Tumig.
Si Tubig ba yan?
Oh.
Ay, wala naman.
Coach A! Nagte-training kayo.
Score dun, 20-62.
Anong score?
20-62.
Hindi ko na nakikita. Oh?
Oo. 20-62.
Sina.
What quarter is that? Quarter is this? Which quarter are you? Oh,
Ay, oh, 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 oh! Ay!
Galing mo na. Galing.
Galing.
Jinx.
Ano ko bumalipag ng ball? Ganyan.
Oh, kilog, kilog, kilog.
Oh, oh, double, 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 double. Oh my God. Oh, double.
Big
up the ball. Point, 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 point.
Tapos ako sa kabila.
Hindi pa.
May kalaban nyo bukas, oh. May kalaban nyo bukas.
Panoorin ko pa kung paano tatambakan eh.
Kalaban nyo bukas.
Paano tatangka? Pasakay ka.
20 na ito.
I need a big boy. I need a 30 seconds. There you go. Oh, yay! I believe I can shoot three. I believe I can shoot a three. I can already shot a three in the first round. That's how you know I'm a big boy. I'm a big boy. I'm a big boy. Go! I know you want. Mabilis pa si Arelis. Bro! Madinat na. Madit na versus
Imagine,
Yan ang maganda. May malaki, may
coach
maliliit.
didn't know about Latinat, so they were
Exactly. We're not getting close to these guys. But they're really good.
Galing ni Mark, oh.
Oh!
Yes!
Stop that, stop that, stop that.
Yes! Na! Nakuha ulit? Ay!
Pa naman. Ian. Black.
Sorry, sorry. Sorry, sorry, sorry.
2015? Kaya naman.
Relax, my friend. Relax, my friend.
Kaya ako man.
Mid, 3/4 lang yan. Ha?
Bogi.
Ano?
Down. 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 Down.
Remember when imagine everything's there.
Ow!
Lilit ang kalaban nila.
Oh, that is the pass.
You can just do a normal chest.
No, look, they're gonna try to pass block him. Yeah! They're trying to do the same thing. Oh my God.
Gusto ang mga eskoran.
He's a big boy. He's a big boy. Look at that. Block that. Block that. Block that. Block that. Block that. Block that. We're allergic to passing.
Para si Coach mo. Ay! Nag-block!
Give screen. Give screen. Come out.
Hindi magagawa ng bola.
What? Hey, what?
Yung dalawa. Hindi ma. Naharang si Mart.
Okay, bro. Special needs basketball skills. Yes. Why?
I'm not lying.
Palong. Ay, sus! Isa pa. Yes. Parang di uso dito yung maingay. Hindi uso maingay dito. Palapat ako dito.
What's your reaction when you feel it?
Shot!
Excited? Really happy to see you again, Daddy.
Grabe ni.
Why you don't like me? You don't like me?
As a friend. As a
Get
Look
out.
at the big shoulders.
Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. With the big shoulders. Turn. Oh. Bakit? 8 seconds by Will you stay half court for too long?
Bakit?
Damn. Your butt crack is there. You're in the bench. Murag dili sa ilang ako hatag sa bench.
Score is 45. 45 po.
Kanina pa yung hindi na dagdag na.
Wawa naman pa, iskuran nyo naman. Kaya nga, huwag na depensa. Para makashoot naman.
Uy, no! Grabe. Ay!
Give me that. Almost bring the ball. Mark.
Shoot, Mark. All the way. Fake. Kawawa naman sila, Lord.
Imagine Jacob dunks. Like this.
Sino ba yung lamang dyan?
Ay, movement.
Movement. Sila Victor. Sino?
Tips na ito.
Nakakatuwa si...
He just gave it to the opponent.
Pashoot naman sana. Oo.
Yung pala for sila yung nakakashoot.
Kaya nga.
Game is game, bro. Game is game. He's big shot. Jacob's smiling a lot. I don't like that.
Dikit yung laban. Kaya, dikit.
No, the game is so close, baby. So close. They only need, bro. They only need 46 points.
Heck no.
It's not, bro. It's not. We're gonna record it. We're gonna record it.
Ano, diferensya.
Ayun na si ano.
Sumasayaw.
Well, there's a lot of beginners. I think PG don't know how to do it. Si Krayin, bro. Ma?
Ayun anak yung kalaban niyo bukas.
Watch ready, watch ready.
Ay, isn't that the guy that we played?
You know, do you remember that?
Yung
The
ano?
number 4?
Number 4?
Yeah.
Yeah, yung kalaban nila.
Look, you're so sad.
Talo sila, yung biyak sila Areli.
Oo.
Wait, it's number 4. Wait, did you play before as wala number 4?
Ayan.
Yes! Yes!
Oh, they finally made it now.
Second shot.
Ooh, they got a steal. Okay. Getting spicy. Oh,
But even get that.
Pa, Nathan, pa! Ay, pang!
But it's gonna be leakage.
Nice one!
Hindi ko na pa si Ethan pala yun.
No, Nathan.
where's Ethan there?
Ethan?
Go, Nathan! Oh, pasa! Nathan, rebound!
Yes! 3 points. Nathan, mag 3 points ka.
He's mad. He will be mad at you because you don't pass it.
You'll be mad at me?
And you would be mad.
Why? How do you know? How do
Nice
you know?
one.
How do you know?
Because last time, I mean, I did a double shooting, but I made a shot. And then, I made
Oh! Go, Nathan! Ay, sayang.
Wala nga silang alaagawan ng bata.
Mhm. Nice one!
I mean, I did it. Not really. Not really. When we were on the bench, I was gonna say the Japanese.
A day is gonna be 7, 8.
Anak, tingnan mo yung panorin mo yung mga kakalaban mo.
Nice one, Nathan!
Ayan, o.
Ayan, Red!
Nice! Nagagaling na. Sa bagay, katib mo naman sila, ano eh, sila Pipito.
Who's Pepito?
Ay, no, Pepito.
You know Pipito?
Who's Pupito?
Okay, buddy. We're gonna get slapped.
Hindi na tinatawagan eh.
4v1. Ito 4.
Wala na nga naman.
Yo!
Ooh. Ah, hindi mo block ni Nathan eh. Hindi mo maabot.
Kawawa. Shoot na yan!
Wala pa rin.
Go!
Post that. Post that.
temporary lang. Bukas mo.
Traveling.
Ngayon lang.
Dapat si Nathan, ano? Nakatila lang muna po ah. Thank you, sis. Shoot! Go, Mark!
Nalungkot mo lang.
This is 65-4. 65 Coach A. Jesus me, mag-aano pa siya. Ow.
Kahit tulak-lak yun ito eh.
Yo, good game, bro. Good game.
Uy, nandiyan!
Nanalo kayo?
Congrats!
60? We won by 60 points.
Same like
Sabi
that?
niya naman tinambakan.
1 point. 10. Bro, this game is so close.
Ay, tingnan mo sila, oh. 65. Liam, kalaban nila kay Le bukas.
Ivo?
Oo.
I'm cooked. They have a dual Meron na isa po. Si Elias.
Si Elias?
Shifty. Hindi kaya ng mga...
Kaya nga eh.
Sola.
Friend, your friend, TJ?
Teammate ko po yan sa ano yan. Teammate ko po sa ano yan.
Oo, hindi na nagbagan. No? Madami na magagaling na Pilipino.
They just started playing 2 months ago, that's why. From the counter.
Hindi na.
Slippery slide. Dito slip and slide po. Slip and slide. Slip and slide. Why should we even slip? Here.
Still, Nathan! Galing naman ni Nathan.
Walking, dribbling. Traveling.
Pro step.
Stay there or to go backside. Don't stay here. Come this way. Don't go this way. This way.
There.
Go and sit with them. Don't
So this is backside or first quarter? Then?
We have like third.
Then?
Fourth.
Is it?
Fourth ba? Yan?
Third of fourth.
It's fourth. Think about fourth?
Ay!
Ah, yeah. Fourth quarter.
Bakit?
Okay, this one.
Oh,
Must
okay.
finish.
Nathan!
Game over. Yay!
Let him to shoot!
Hindi, papatawarin mo kayo.
Di ba? Pagkawarin talaga.
Where's the coach so nonchalant? Good game. Where's the coach nonchalant? Girl coach. Coach. Dawit yung
Meron na sila, 11 sila.
Get out!
55 coach.
Excellent win. Good luck.
Ah, thank you, sir.
Yung stop na daw yung ano. Tapos kaya may stop na daw yung score.
I want to shoot a shot.